it's Leanne and Jeff, INSPIRADA TV. We're going to show you this over 3,000 square foot house. I'm so excited.
3762 Pordenone. Pordenone. I should have Googled how to pronounce that, but anyhow, built in 23, KB build. I really like these floor plans. Nice courtyard.
Oh,
nice
yeah.
8-foot doors. Oh, great rails.
Yeah. Beautiful flooring.
Yeah, really nice. No power?
I don't think we have any power.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I like this one a lot.
Even these 5-panel doors are really cool. So it's important to note on this one, this is a short sale.
Yeah.
So,
but it's already approved.
It is at the list price of $697. Is that where it's at?
Yeah, $697.
$697. So what this means is the sellers bought the home in 23 new, and with the way the market's been over the last 2 years with the higher rates, we haven't seen much appreciation. So in order to sell, they need to
they can't sell it for what they owe.
They can't sell it for what they owe. So they owe more than where it's at when you take into account the closing costs, commissions, all that kind of stuff. But
wow, this is really gorgeous. Did you get a shot of the fireplace? That's really awesome. Beautiful.
Yeah, so the MLS shots of this home is furnished, so it looks really good. It's such an expansive space out here.
Yeah.
And look at this waterfall island. Really gorgeous.
Yeah. Big. Great island.
I like this gold
great sink.
Faucet and poles. Nice crown molding.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. Oh.
Rollouts.
Roll them out. Yeah, this has a... Did you look at the pendant lights too? Lots of gold accents, and the faucet as well. It all matches.
But this waterfall is amazing.
Yeah, it's a really nice island. If you always wanted to live on an island, there you go.
Now we've seen this floor plan multiple ways. So
yeah.
Sometimes there's a double entry here, and it's just a den with a big utility storage. Mm-hmm. Sometimes it's a bedroom with a bath. And this one looks like it's just a bedroom.
It's a bedroom, but it's not just a bedroom. No. It's a bedroom.
Which means this next room is going to be the huge storage utility closet. And again, we don't have power, but you can see how massive this is. I like the built-ins they did. Then you also have a 3/4 bath down, which
try to give you a little light.
Is really nice since you have that bedroom.
Yes, absolutely. But you need it for guests anyway. You don't want your guests having to go upstairs.
So 2-car garage, tankless water heater, water softener.
Fully loaded.
We'll just jump out to the backyard. It's going to be a little tricky to film our normal video with no power. But
we'll figure it out. We'll make it work.
There we go. So good size yard.
Blank
not landscaped.
Canvas.
We always joke, yeah, blank canvas.
Yeah, but no, super private. Look, nobody behind you.
Some mountain views.
Awesome. This is a great location. You can see the mountain. You can see Mount Charleston with the snow on the top.
So we are on the outskirts of Inspirada, but there's a brand new park that I think is open now for this community, which will make it really the 6th main park within Inspirada.
And this is going to be your
Coat
coat closet, but it goes all the way under the stairs.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Yeah. And I love the rails. So, oh, you're supposed to be ahead of me so you can say your
Yeah,
thing.
so of course, this is where we say, please like and subscribe to our channel. Our website, Homes and Inspirada, has every listing. Our channel is nothing but Inspirada.
And if you want to take a look out here, give us a call. We're always out here and we're happy to take good care of you. Wow, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, because if you're thinking about a home in Henderson and you're thinking Green Valley, but you haven't explored Inspirada, really a good place to.
So many amenities.
Take a look. So, full bath.
Double sink.
Yep. So upstairs laundry, plumbed for a sink.
Like it.
So this would be bedroom 2.
Yeah. Walk-in closet. Nice. Anybody who's ever raised a teenager knows closet space is great.
Oh man. What a baby.
Yeah.
Cute baby.
There, Bubba.
Another walk-in closet with a window.
These doors are great too.
Yeah, they're not just the boring, 6-panel door. Yeah. They've done some nice upgrades in this.
It's a gorgeous house.
All right, so
it's 5 bedrooms, 4 bath, plus loft. That's what it says.
And built in 23. I mean, so this is
like
only just
house.
a couple years old. And so double door entry to the primary.
Nice big space.
It's really big.
Yeah, and we're looking at 3,063 square foot. So there's lots of space in this house. And at $697, that puts it at $228 a square foot. That is a good deal.
Especially for this age.
Yeah.
I think that mist effect that we videoed is under 200, but it's an older home.
Yeah. Oh, strip views.
You
can see the Las Vegas Strip. Love it.
Let me zoom in here. Kind of give you an idea what you're looking at. So you would kind of think that you wouldn't lose this because you have that green space that splits the road, and then if and when they build across the street, even if there's 2 stories, I think it might be far enough and low enough that you may not lose that view.
No guarantees.
Yeah, we can't guarantee a view.
Wow, huge closet.
So this closet, I love this. That's what I like about this floor plan.
Yes. Giant closet.
Especially because I think you have enough on this far side wall to
add some stuff.
Add
Absolutely.
More.
I'd already added it in my head.
Okay, so
big shower.
Dual vanities.
Dual vanity.
Bench seat. You could add a door.
You would have to add a door.
So.
Buy the house from us, we'll throw in a door.
Or at least glass beads.
Glass beads.
Okay. So, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com. Please like and subscribe. We're always out here doing these videos. If you want to see this home or any other, just let us know. And again, if you're thinking about a home in Henderson, explore Inspirada. And we're your Inspirada specialists. So you know who to call.